Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows 11 stuck in infinite boot loop. An infinite boot loop on Windows 11 when your PC repeatedly restart. Since you can't access your regular desktop, let's see how to fix this one. First method is force your PC into advanced startup mode. To do that, you need to turn your PC completely off by holding down the physical power button for 5 to 10 seconds. Press the power button to turn it on again. The moment you see your computer manufacturer logo like Asus HP, press and hold the power button down again for 5 to 10 seconds to force hard shutdown. Repeat this exercise process 3 times in a row. On the fourth boot, leave the PC alone. Windows will display a message saying preparing automatic repair, followed by a blue screen that says advanced options. Then you need to click that button. Then you can see you will see this kind of blue screen menu. In here you need to select the troubleshoot option, then go to advanced options, then go to uninstall updates. In here there are two options. Select uninstall latest quality update. Sometime it will ask your username and password. You can select your account and you can enter the password and click uninstall quality update. Once that is completed, you can restart your computer, then it will be fixed. Okay, third method is you can use the command prompt to rebuild boot records. To do that, just go to troubleshoot option in the advanced boot menu, go to advanced option, select command prompt. Okay, once it is open, you need to type boot rec space / fix mbr. Hit enter. Once the process is complete, again you need to type boot rec space / fix boot and hit enter. If you receive access denied kind of message, you need to type this command boot sect space / nt60 space sys. Hit enter. Then you will see it is successful and you need to again type boot rec space / fix boot. Hit enter. Finally scan for Windows installation and rebuild. To do that, you need to type boot rec space / rebuild bcd and hit enter. If it asks to add installation to boot list, type Y to select yes option. Then after you can exit from here. Type exit. Okay. Fourth method is clear the automatic repair loop trap. To do that, again you need to go troubleshoot, advanced options, command prompt. In here you need to type bcd edit space / set space bracket default, close the bracket, space recovery enabled space capital No. No. Hit enter. Then you need to type exit to exit from here. Then you need to restart your computer. And fifth method is you can revert system setting to default in the motherboard BIOS. To do that, you need to complete the shutdown on your PC. Turn it on and immediately tap F2 or delete key repeatedly until the motherboard utility screen opens. Look along the bottommost side legends for load optimized default. Usually it is bound with the F9 key. Sometimes it should be different on the other manufacturers. Press it and select yes. Navigate to your boot tab and ensure secure boot is enabled, as Windows 11 strictly require modern UEFI path rather than older CSM configuration. Press F10 and save to exit. This and also you can follow one method remaining, that is you can go to troubleshoot, advanced option, then after you can go to the startup setting. Then you can tap on restart option. You will see this kind of menu appear. In here you need to press number 4 on your keyboard to enable safe mode. Okay, now you are in the safe mode. What you need to do is go to start menu, go to setting, then after go to apps section. These are the applications currently installed on your computer. Find any third-party antivirus or game cheat engines kind of applications are installed in here. Simply uninstall those applications from this computer and restart your computer. And this method will be fix your issue.